I'm already liking it. It feels nice and sturdy in my hands. What do you think?
It looks nice.
Yeah, it does.
In today's video, David and I are installing a RV screen door support bar handle by the company name Safana.
So now David is looking at the instructions. We are going to come back once he have this all put together and ready to install on the door, right?
Yeah. It feels really sturdy. That's what got me. I thought it was going to be a loose fit. Look how snug that is. So that give you a tight feel when you actually grab the door. I thought it was going to be all loose. That's nice.
And there's not a lot of pieces to it. So like we're right here at our sink and we are putting it together right here.
2 covers, 6 screws, 2 ends of the handle, and the center part.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take measurements now and try to get this thing figured out in the middle of my work day. So she still got me working. That's explains the shirt, explains my hands. I'm working, but
yeah. Well, hey, listen. Our channel, we are RVers. We are sometimers, and we work. And we're learning how to balance work with play, as well as modifications for the RV.
Yeah, definitely. I'm tired. I was tired of looking at cars anyway, so on to something different. So I'm gonna get this put together for y'all and let you take a look at it. I'm kind of excited though.
Me
It's
too.
nice quality.
I thought so too. When I was holding it in my hand.
Let me take some measurements and we'll start showing you the rest of it.
All right.
So at this time, David and I would like to thank Safana for the collaboration of this video, as well as the 5% discount that you will receive by ordering this product through our Amazon affiliate link that's listed in the description box below.
Okay, so I don't know if y'all ever saw our other video. I think she had me putting up some curtain rods and everything. And I said when I was a kid, I used to see the older guys, they'd be doing work and stuff, and they always put screws in their mouth. And then they got to talk like this. That way you could hold on to the screw. But I ain't gonna do that today. Because I got too many screws. I only have 8, but I don't want to mess around and swallow one. And then I'd be what? Screwed. So I have it. I got my length. Put it up to the door. I centered and I measured because she's gonna make sure I measure. I even have my trusty old level. It's got to be level. She's gonna make sure boss lady. She's gonna make sure I measure it.
That's right.
And level it. So I have it measured out and I need to lock in the bar here. So that's why I'm gonna put it down on the floor, and I'm not gonna hold the screws in my mouth, but I'm gonna go ahead and insert these screws here. It's pretty sturdy and nice fit. Okay. And the certain screws, it's the flat ones. I got the flat head on them. Okay, so I got those in place. and they give you 2 covers to cover the screws. That was pretty easy. So now I'll start my measurements here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it, because if it's not right, boss lady going to be all over me.
That's right.
This is what I'm going to do. I'll fix that.
Is it doing anything?
Now what I'm going to do is get a sharper drill bit. Well, I use these for work, so hey, get a sharper bit. That one's definitely about wore out. There we go. We got some cutting going on now. All right. So, speed up this process. She's always got me working, y'all. No rest for the weary.
You get rest.
So I lock that side in.
Good job.
Then I level it. I only have 2 hands. And somebody busy holding the camera.
Yes, I am.
Uh-oh.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I don't know about the team. Team ain't working.
Yes, I am.
So I got that level. And I go ahead and mark it. Okay. Mark. And I'll drill. Okay. So, got that hole going. And oh, that's sturdy. And that's only 2 screws. That's good and sturdy. I'm so grateful. Thank y'all for sending this. Thank you for making it so simple, because I have other work to do. I'm almost done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's good and sturdy. Good quality. Put a screw in my mouth. Put a carburetor on there for you. I'm kidding, y'all. I'm kidding. I don't like carburetors.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Me too.
I am so excited about this door handle.
I'm so
Look at all
excited
that
too.
hard work that I did.
Because I'm done. And guess who get to clean up the mess?
That's okay. I think it's worth it.
Oh, that's sturdy.
Oh, is it?
Nice. Real sturdy.
Okay.
I love it.
Oh, you love it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's even sturdier than that handle because I really didn't like that. Pulling on that.
Yeah, I didn't
That's
either.
crazy. Yes. Oh, we should have been got one of those.
I told you. See, he always tell me that I'm trying to buy all these accessories and stuff, but this is really nice. Okay. Yeah. This is really nice. This is a really good product.
Yeah.
Really good product.
Sturdy. Look at that.
Yeah.
No shaking, no play, no nothing. The color fits perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Which is what I wanted.
Oh man, look at that work, y'all. Look at that work. I measured it to the T, baby. Yes. I ain't got to hear a mouth. It's level.
Oh my gosh.
Damn. It's level.
So you guys, you know David. You know David. He definitely helps me out with all of the mods that we do to the RV, but this was definitely worth the wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's easy. It's definitely easy. Easy installation. Yeah. I'm pleased.
I am too. I'm glad that we did that. So,
Well, next we need one for the back door.
yep, we do.
Yeah.
Thank you for giving this product to us so we could install it and try it out for ourselves.
Yes.
And we definitely will be buying one and purchasing one for our back door. I will have a link in the description. So if you want a door handle to match your RV decor, definitely go to the description, click on that link, and it will take you to our Amazon associate page. So with that being said,
But hold
thank you.
Hold on. Now, honestly, y'all, I was thinking.
Here we go.
She just had more work for me to do. Like, do we really need that? I am pleased. Because at the end of the day, I'm the one that has to install it.
Yes.
Very easy installation. I did read the instructions, even though y'all didn't see it. I read the instructions, but I'm a mechanic, so I had already ran it through my mind and everything. Just went inside the shop and grabbed the tools. And I am very pleased with this. I'm not sure she did all the paperwork, so I don't know what the price is, but we definitely will be getting another one for the rear door.
And it's affordable, you guys. Also, like I say, click on the link that is in the description and it will take you to our affiliate link. So with that being said, peace, love, and train.
Thank y'all.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys out on the road.